so.
No, I'm out here, okay? I don't want to go in there and go out the back. I can't come out the front. Fuck off!
Even the old man came out for that one. Holy fuck. Oh, what a shit show. I wonder what he's looking on the computer. What a fucking shit show. What's he doing? What's he doing? Is he freaking? Is he talking?
She's like, Dave just ran away. He's like, what's he doing? And I was right there when he came. I was like,
Wow. Sorry, folks, but there's a minor delay in this fucking nutty fruitcake's tale. We'll be back. We're almost there. Who knows what kind of Wizard of Oz witches and tales she might be encountering this time. Fucking Hell's Angels. Those Hell's Angels drove by again. Yeah, Hell's Angels just drove by again. They looked at me. I think we should go.
I didn't see them going by. You were just busy telling me
saw
off
them.
in my own private property.
Sorry, but I saw them. They went by. There was 2 of them on 2 separate bikes with 4 people. I saw them. What do you think about that?
Well, you haven't been here all day. This goes on a daily basis here. I mean, everybody that lives in South Surrey knows about it, including the Star of the Sea. What else is new?
Star of the Sea is getting angry too. They're getting tired of it.
David, don't talk to me, okay? Just don't talk to me.
What about the Native Indians? They're part of it all too.
The reserve's just over here and you know it yourself.
The East Indians are a problem in Delta. They're moving right in.
Oh, David, I'm not going each area. I live here, okay? I know what I've put up with all these many years. And what everybody else has here, okay? Don't talk to me. I've asked you, do not speak to me. Do you not understand what I'm saying to you? You're irritating to me.
The East
You're
Indians.
mouthy.
I didn't mouth you off yet. I hadn't said anything. I just asked what you think about the East
I'm
Indians.
asking when the party's breaking up here on my private property tonight. Because I'm tired of the constant partying.
There is no party here. No party
I've
here.
been out all day. Don't you think you all have responsibilities?
None.
Well.
Don't you think you have responsibilities? You've been out all day smoking. What are your
Sure.
The proof is
if I'd have been out the last 2 days, I'd have been dead. Think I'm stupid?
You've been out the last 2 days. The ashtray proves it.
Okay,
There's 450 some odd smokes in there in the last 2 days.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it. I'm booting you out of the house tonight. Don't think you're coming back in.
I don't think so.
yeah, just stay sitting in the